Thank you for choosing to tour a home from the Susman collection. If you have any questions about this or any other homes, please call 9544780974. I look forward to hearing from you soon. Amazing rental. Totally remodeled townhome. Like no other. Renovated open concept kitchen with granite, stainless and wood cabinetry. Luxuriously upgraded bathrooms. Finished closets, interior laundry room, screened patio. A-rated schools. Conveniently located with easy highway access. Well-maintained community with great amenities.